Google just rolled out a brand new AI tool called Nano Banana, and you've probably seen a ton of videos showing off background swaps or adding random objects. That's cool and all. But let's be honest, those tricks don't really make you money. In this video, I'm not here to show off filters or effects. I'm going to show you how to actually make real income using this powerful new AI tool. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to get Nano Banana completely free. No payments, no subscriptions, no credit card required. Then, I'll break down a few proven ways to earn from it based on real methods that are already working for early users. There are two main ways to use Nano Banana. The first is through Google AI Studio, which is the official route. Just search for Google AI Studio, click on Generate Media, and then choose Try Nano Banana. This gives you access to Google's latest AI image technology directly. But here's the catch. The free version has strict limits. It's mainly meant for testing, so it won't let you create enough images to use for business or consistent projects. That's where the second method comes in, and it's the one that gives you way more free access. Here's what you do. Open a private browsing window and search for LLM Marina. Once you're on that site, click Battle at the top, then choose Direct by Chat. After that, click Generate Image and make sure Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview is selected. That's essentially Nano Banana, just under a different name. Now you can use it completely free and generate as many images as you like. Eventually, you'll hit a temporary limit, but here's the simple workaround. Just close that private window entirely, open a new one, go back to the same site, and boom, you can start again like it's your first time. The reason this works is that private windows don't save cookies or history, so the site sees you as a new user each time. That means unlimited access without getting blocked. Okay, so now that we're set up, the next step is to upload a design you want to recreate, something that already has that winning vibe. What I mean by that is a design that's proven to sell or already getting a lot of attention online. You can totally upload any image you like, but if you start with something people are already into, you'll save yourself a ton of trial and error. Definitely do your own research and find ideas in whatever niche you want your print-on-demand store to focus on. And if you're stuck or don't know which niche to pick, no worries. Just ask AI for suggestions. It's actually really good at helping you find trending ideas. Once you've uploaded your example, the next thing you'll do is ask Nano Banana to look at that image and write a detailed AI prompt for it. This is super important because you never want to copy someone else's design exactly. That could land you in serious copyright trouble. Instead, Nano Banana will break down your image and create a prompt you can use to make something new in a similar style. Totally original, but still inspired by the look you liked. After you've got your prompt, just copy it. Open a new chat, paste it in, and make sure the Create Image option is turned on. Then hit Submit, and in just a few seconds, Nano Banana will generate a completely unique design based on that idea. Honestly, even though I've been using AI tools for a while now, I'm still blown away by how fast it works. It can do in seconds what used to take me or a graphic designer days to create. Once you've got your first design done, go ahead and save it to your computer. Then make a few more in that same niche so you've got a small collection ready to go. That way, when it's time to build your print-on-demand store, you'll already have a bunch of products to upload. For example, here are a few other designs I made with Nano Banana, all following the same cozy autumn book lover theme. Quick break before we continue. If you're new to affiliate marketing and want a simple step-by-step guide to get started, I've got something for you. You can grab my free affiliate marketing guide for beginners. It walks you through everything from choosing the right niche to setting up your first campaign and earning your first commissions. It's completely free, no strings attached. Just check out the link below or on the screen, download your copy, and start learning how to build a business that can make you $100 a day or more. All right. Let's jump back into it. Now that your designs are ready, it's time for the fun part, setting up your online store where you'll actually sell your products. Now, most print-on-demand tutorials will tell you to start on Etsy, but honestly, I don't think that's the best move. Etsy takes a cut from every single sale, charges listing fees, and on top of that, they have pretty strict rules. They can even shut down your store without warning, and if that happens, all your hard work could disappear overnight. A much safer and smarter option is to build your own website. And before you panic thinking that sounds super technical, don't worry. We're going to use Hostinger's AI website builder, which makes the whole process ridiculously easy. Hostinger actually has a brand new print-on-demand integration with Printful, so you can connect everything automatically. No coding, no complicated setup. The best part? It only takes a few minutes, even if you've never built a website before. Here's how to do it. Head over to the Hostinger print-on-demand page. I've dropped my personal affiliate link down below in the description to make it super easy for you to find. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help support the channel, so thank you in advance if you use it. Once you're on the site, click Get Started to create your Hostinger account. When that's done, you'll land on your Hostinger dashboard. From there, click on Websites in the menu, then hit Add Website and choose AI Website Builder. On the setup screen, type in your brand name and write a quick description of what kind of website you want to build. If you're not sure what to call your brand, you can even ask AI for ideas. It's surprisingly good at coming up with creative names that fit your niche. When you're writing your prompt, make sure to include your niche, the style or vibe you want, and the types of images you'd like to have on your website. Before you hit submit, double check that you've selected the option to create an online store, i.e. not just a regular website. Then hit submit and let Hostinger's AI Website Builder do the heavy lifting for you. In just a minute or two, you'll see a preview of your new site. You can change up the color scheme if you want, but honestly, I like the one it generated for me, so I just left it as is. Once you're happy, click continue to move forward. If your website doesn't appear right away, no worries. That just means you need to add the Printful integration first. This step connects your store to Printful so you can actually sell your print-on-demand products directly from your site. To do that, click Integrations on the left-hand side, then choose Create and Sell Custom Products. Follow the steps to connect your Printful account well, and if you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free in just a few minutes. Once it's connected, go ahead and create your first product using the design you made with Nano Banana. Choose a product from Printful's catalog. I'm going with a cozy sweatshirt to match my example design, then pick your colors and sizes. Next, upload your Nano Banana design, adjust the size or placement if you need to, and when it looks perfect, hit continue. Now, you'll pick your mockup, add a product title, and set your pricing. You can even see exactly how much profit you'll make on each sale, which is super helpful. Once you're happy with everything, click Save Product, and it'll automatically appear in your online store. After that, head back to your Hostinger dashboard, go through the quick setup checklist, and don't forget to update your payment and billing details so you can get paid every time someone buys one of your products. Once you've got your products uploaded, click Edit Website to open up the Hostinger website editor. This is where the fun part starts. You'll see your AI-generated online store, complete with product pages, a checkout section, and everything you need to start selling. Now, don't worry if some of the text or images don't look quite right. The cool thing about Hostinger's editor is that it's super easy to use. It's all drag and drop, so you can move things around, swap out images, update text, and customize your layout however you want. Plus, everything is automatically mobile friendly, which is huge because, let's be real, most people shop straight from their phones these days. Here's a quick sped up look at me editing my site. The whole thing took me less than 10 minutes. And here's the final result. My print-on-demand store with cute niche matching designs all synced with Printful. The best part? Every time someone places an order, Printful automatically creates, packs, and ships the product to your customer. You don't have to lift a finger. When you're happy with everything, hit go live to publish your store online. Once your store is live, congrats. You've officially launched your print-on-demand business. But here's the thing. You can't just set it and forget it. Even though print-on-demand handles most of the back-end work for you, you still need to get eyes on your products. A great way to start is by promoting your store on social media. You can go the faceless route or build a branded account and use AI to make mockups, posts, or short videos to show off your products. With all the AI tools out there right now, there are so many creative ways to market your store and grow your audience. And if you want me to make a full tutorial showing how to promote your print-on-demand store using AI and social media, let me know down in the comments. I'll make it happen.